In this video, Flavia Diamante is making one of the ultimate masterpieces of Sicilian cuisine, arancini. First, we prepare the rice. We cook the rice in hot vegetable broth. You'll need about 2 liters and add some saffron, along with some fine salt. As always, check the video description for the ingredient list and quantities. You can use a type of rice made for arancini, or do what we do, mix 2 different types. We are combining 500 grams of Roma and 500 grams of Originario. Roma has long grains that absorb broth really well, while the Originario releases more starch. Be sure to stir often as the rice cooks, because it can easily stick as it absorbs the liquid. Once all the broth is absorbed, turn off the heat and stir in the butter. The result? A creamy, dense, well-bound rice mixture. It needs to be compact enough to hold the filling and handle the frying. Now we cool it down to stop it from overcooking. Just spread it out as Flavia is doing here. This method also helps align the rice grains in one direction. Nice and even. Cover it and chill it in the fridge. While the rice chills, let's make the classic Sicilian ragù for the filling. In a heavy pot, add the ground beef and let it brown. Melt butter and add a finely chopped mix of onion, carrot, and celery. Once the vegetables are soft, finally deglaze with dry white wine and let the alcohol evaporate. Now, add tomato puree and concentrated tomato paste. Let this ragù simmer gently for at least an hour. 2 is even better. Add broth or water if needed to keep it saucy. At the end, stir in the peas. Season with salt and pepper, and let the ragù cool completely. Time to assemble. We like to mix in cubes of caciocavallo cheese right into the ragù for that gooey center. However, many traditional recipes do not include cheese. For shaping, we use the Arancinotto, a made-in-Italy mold that makes the job way easier and faster. And we've dropped the link to this product in the video description. The cone or teardrop is a traditional arancini shape. However, you can also make them by hand, in which case you'll want to make them round. To use the mold, scoop some rice, press it into the mold, and use the plunger to make space for the filling. Add a generous spoonful of ragù in the center. Then top it with more rice. Press the seal, and voila! One perfect arancino. With this tool, Flavia was able to whip up 28 arancini in just about half an hour. For that crisp, even crust, we use the classic Sicilian method. Mix flour with water to make a smooth batter. Dip each arancino in the batter, then roll it right into the breadcrumbs. Press gently so that the coating sticks well. Flavia is not doing this by hand because using your hands can create a less uniform breading. And if you want to prep these ahead of time, great news! Arancini freeze beautifully. Traditionally, arancini are deep fried, so heat plenty of oil to 190 degrees Celsius or around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry them just a few at a time, turning them often until they are golden and crispy. Drain them on paper towels and let them rest for a few minutes. Then, you know what comes next. Time to taste. Crunchy, flavorful, irresistible. Homemade arancini are pure perfection. And if you're looking for a lighter version, yes, arancini can be air fried as well. All you need to do is give them a generous spray of air fryer safe oil and cook them at about 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for around 15 minutes, flipping them halfway through. The texture will be a little different, but still totally crunchy and satisfying. If you love this recipe, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this from Italy and beyond. E buon appetito!